previous Scion FR-S, where Roadster makes a big appearance as the revived 2017 Toyota 86, displaying inside and outside changes, and in addition suspension and powertrain overhauls. For the new model year, the 86 will include LED front headlamps and turn signals, LED raised tail lights, bumper decorate outline, and new guards on the front and back. Also, the amalgam wheels include another plan. Within, the 86 will wear new materials on the seats, entryway armrest and entryway trim, and in addition on the instrument board encompass. Upgraded control and spry execution are accomplished through reconsidered stunt tuning and a spring rate change. On autos with manual transmissions, there is an apparatus proportion change for enhanced speeding up, and also a 5-torque increment to the 2.0-liter 4-barrel. Sloping and help control keeps the auto from moving back on soak slopes. Value, MSRP $29,990. Seating 4. Show detail. Manual. Guarantee summary. Basic: 3 years /60,000 kilometers. Drivetrain: 5 years /100,000 kilometers. Corrosion: 5 years. Unlimited km. Roadside assistance: 3 years /60,000 kilometers.